The town of Pontevedra will be the location of the next conference of the European Society of Ecological Economics and International Degrowth Conference.
At the conference, we will talk about sustainability, economy, well-being and art.
We will count on international references in the field of degrowth and ecological economics.
And citizens will be fully involved in this great event.
As there will be numerous free activities open to the public, lectures, workshops, exhibitions, contests, etc.
We are waiting for you in Pontevedra in 2024. You can't miss it.